Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revisiting the disturbing true story featured in Netflix's Unknown Number, the High School Catfish. We'll answer the big question. Where are Lauryn and her mother Kendra Licari now? Let's break it all down. Lauryn Licari was a high school student in Beale City, Michigan, known for leading a quiet teenage life. That all changed when she started receiving relentless harassing texts across 2020 and 2021. The twist? The messages were traced back to her own mother, Kendra Licari, who used fake identities and tools to hide her fingerprint. The revelation stunned the town and split their family in ways that few could imagine. Kendra pleaded guilty in 2023 to stalking charges and was sentenced to 19 months to 5 years in prison. She served the lesser end of that term and was released on parole in August 2024. As a result, her marriage ended and custody of Lauryn was granted to Lauryn's father. Where are they now? Kendra Licari is living under parole, likely with supervised conditions, and remains largely separated from Lauryn emotionally and legally. Lauryn Licari, now about 18 years old, has spent recent years growing strong and thoughtful. Her father remains her main source of support, helping her navigate the emotionally complex aftermath. While she initially hoped for reconciliation with her mother, her stance has become more cautious. A future connection may be possible, but it will not look the same. Their journey is one of betrayal, recovery, and redefining trust. Lauryn is stepping into adulthood with courage and thoughtfulness, while Kendra faces the consequences of her actions and the long, uncertain path toward redemption. What are your thoughts on their story? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more deep dives into real stories and emotional truths. Until next time, stay reflective and take care.